All right, the drink we're about to make is called Crocket. And this is going to be a chilled shot, so let's put some ice in a glass here. And we're going to make enough just for one single shot here. So let's measure out 1 ounce of our cherry schnapps here. All right. And we're going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of sour mix. And just a splash of grenadine. All right, grab your shaker and give it a good shake. There we go. Whoop. Just pound it against the bar a little bit if you can't get it off there. And grab a shot glass and go ahead and strain it in. Nice pink shot. And that is how you make Crocket. Bottoms up.